Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AVP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. First level of support is what I would call the ideal area. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up here above $2 and about 83 cents. 283, although very ideal, is not very important in the sense of it's not like the price, if the price drops below it, that implies everything is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. Ideally, again, yeah, staying above 283, that would be awesome, but from the grand scheme of it all, definitely not a must-hold level or anything like that. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so a bigger picture. So this certainly assumes that you have a broader time horizon on things, but that is where the purple line there comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 283 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? In terms of where the sellers are at, I'm going to go ahead and scrunch this up a little bit more to give a tad bit more context. Next key overarching level is going to be right up here around $2.05, and price got close enough. It didn't hit it exactly, but I think we all agree got within the general vicinity of it. So you look back here and you can see some price history there. Was immediately ejected right there. And like I said, this morning, or not this morning, excuse me, during the final 30 minutes, got within that area and then finally pulled back. So I'm not saying the price can't get through that area, just saying it makes sense why the price is struggling right up around $2.95. So overall, great looking chart, big movement today. And now going forward, it's just a question of can the price build upon this momentum? We will see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.